how to fix send later not showing problem. So if you want to fix scheduled messages on iMessage is not showing, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. So if you can't see the send later option in your messaging app, you're missing the ability to schedule messages for future delivery, ensuring that important text such as birthday wishes or work-related updates are sent without disrupting your day or the recipient. This feature is particularly useful for managing time zone differences and maintaining professional communication, enabling you to send messages during business hours or at more thoughtful times without needing to remember later. Now, if you're on iOS 18 and can't get this feature, you'll have to first check your message type. Send later feature only works for iMessage conversations, not for SMS. Ensure you're using iMessage. For that, you need to head over to your settings, scroll to the app section, scroll down and then select messages. You can just search for messages in the search bar. Make sure to enable iMessage on. Once you've turned it on, then you can schedule your messages. But if it's turned on and you still can't schedule your messages, then it's about region restrictions. This feature might not be available in your region. Make sure to verify whether your location support send later. The other alternative is to reset iMessage. Try toggling iMessage off and then turn it on. Then you can reset all of your settings. Get back to your settings page and then go with the general. Under general, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. And from here, you just need simply go and select reset all settings. And once you reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.